Magandang hapon po mga gentlemen. This is a pure McLean hatch, no, for the hatch lovers. Ito po ang McLean na to. Imported po yung mga parents ito together with the leapers. Ako mismong pumili nitong mga parents ito sa Oklahoma. So ito ang McLean. Ang McLean na to, ito ang secret ingredients nung gumawa ng Popeye Gray. Ang Popeye Gray is a gray cross to McLean's. Kaya po yan tinawag nila na Popeye Grays. So if you want to make a Popeye Gray, the McLean is the key to that mating. So this McLean is just 9 months old. McLeans are not known to be tall, very tall chickens. High station lang sila or medium high. So, yan po siya. Yan ang McLean. His leg number is 120. 120. Ito naman ang dalawang pullets are pure McLeans also. Pure McLeans ready to breed. Their leg number is 338 and 033. Yan po ang trio na ready to breed na McLean. From Ratgraves po. If you're a hatch lover, this is the trio that you need. Ingat po tayo.